question, I'm going to calculate two probabilities using a cumulative normal distribution table. The first one asks that we find the probability that z is less than 2. So what I'm going to do first of all is quickly draw a little sketch of the normal distribution, noting that the mean for the standard normal is 0. That means I'm going to have my z value somewhere around about out here on the right-hand side of the mean at z equal to 2. And I want to figure out the probability of z less than 2, which is this shaded area. So the first thing I can see straight away is it's definitely going to be more than 50%. And actually it's going to be quite large, probably quite close to 100%. Next thing I do is go to my cumulative normal distribution table. So my table only tells me the values of probabilities for z less than positive values. And the way I use it is I'm going to look up that number 2 in my first column and first row in my table. So 2 is just 2.00. So I go down until I reach 2.00. And the column that I want is the first one, so that I've got 2.00, not 2.01 or 02, and so on. So the value I'm looking for is right there, 0.9772. And just to show another one, probability that z is less than 0.77, it's not going to be as much because 0.77 is probably somewhere roughly like here. And now I'm looking for this shaded area under our probability curve. So jumping back to my tables, I'm going to search for 0.7 and then all the way across to 0.7, which together would give me the z equal to 0.77. And it just happens that the probability here is 0.7794. Kind of makes sense. It's less than the previous example, as we can see in the graph, and it's still greater than 50%. So it kind of seems reasonable to make